Hello everyone, welcome to Student Chem. Myself with my and the second part of organometallic chemistry. Before watching this video, please do watch our first part and the link will be given in the description box below. And in this video, we will be discussing about how to determine an unknown quantity in an organometallic complex. And during solving this type of questions, we should assume that the given complex follows 18 electron rule. And sometimes it is already given in the question that the complex follows 18 electron rule and to find out the unknown quantity. So what are the type of questions or what are the quantities we have to find are, they may ask to find the number of ligands, to find the number of metal, or to find the hapticity, or to find the charge on the given metal complex. These are the type of questions which will be asked generally, and we have to assume that the complex follows 18 electron rule. Here in this case, let us see the first question. Here we have to find the number of ligands. As I told you earlier that we have to assume that the complex follows 18 electron rule. And in question also they will mention that the complex follows 18 electron rule. So let's start. So we have to know how many electrons the metal donate and how many electrons the ligands donate. So to know this, we have made in the first part there will be clearly. So let's see. Here the chromium family will be donating 6 electrons. So write here 6. So as the hapticity of ligand is neta 5, this ligand will be donating 5 electrons. And CHC will be donating 1 electron. And we have to find the number of carbonyl ligands. We know that each carbonyl ligand donates 2 electrons. So we have to write as 2n, which will be equal to 18. So each carbonyl will be donating 2 electrons, and the number of let's assume that the number of carbonyl ligands to be n. So 2n is equals to 18. Then 12 plus 2n, which will be equal to 18. 2n is equal to 6 and n is equals to 3. So that there are total of 3 carbonyl ligands in the given complex. This is a way to find out the number of ligands or any unknown quantity. So when we go to next question, we have to find the metal present in the given organometallic complex. So here the metal is attached to 2 benzene rings. So we should know the hapticity of the benzene rings. As the metal is connected to all the ligands in the center, so it will be donating 6 electrons. We don't know metal, so let us take it X. And this will be donating 6 electrons. So overall will be equal to what? 18. 6 plus X plus 6 is equals to 18. Then 12 plus X is equals to 18. X will be equal to 6. So here the metal is donating 6 electrons. So we should find that which group will be donating 6 electrons? Nothing but the chromium family. Here the chromium family is the one which will be donating 6 electrons. So the metal may be chromium, molybdenum or wolfram. So if in question, if it is given that the metal belongs to 3D series, we have to write the metal as chromium. If it is given as the metal belongs to 4D series, we have to write it as molybdenum. If 5D series, we should write wolfram. This is a way to solve this type of questions. Let's see next. And in this case, we don't know what is a metal. So let us assume it as 6. As the hapticity of this ligand is 3, we will take 3 electrons. And here 3 cobalt, which will be equal to 6, which is equal to 18. And X is equals to X plus 9 is equals to 18. And X will be equal to 18 minus 9, which will be equal to 9. So what are the metal series which will be donating 9 electrons are cobalt, rhodium or iridium. So the metal may be what? Cobalt, rhodium or iridium. We should find the exact metal when the series of that particular group is given. So here in this question we have to find the hapticity of the benzene. So the ligand is given over here, metal is given, and the carbonyl ligands are given, and we have to find the hapticity of the ligand. So let us take X, and the chromium will be giving 6 electrons, and each cobalt 2, 3 into 2 6, and which will be equal to 18. So that the X will be equal to what? 6. and the hapticity of the benzene ring is 6. So the chromium is connected to benzene in this manner. Means the six sides of benzene are connected to this metal. The next question is finding the charge on the given OMC. See, in this case there are two metals, nickel and cobalt. So when there is one metal, if it follows 18 electron rule, and when there are two metal, it should follow which electron rule? 36 electron rule. So this complex must follow 36 electron rule. So it will be already mentioned in the question that the complex follows a particular electron rule and we have to find out the unknown quantity. So let's solve this question. So here carbonyl ligands are 3, 6, and the nickel will be donating 10 electrons and the cobalt will be donating 9 electrons, as you can see here. Nickel family will be donating 10 electrons, cobalt family will be donating what? 9 electrons. And again there are 3 carbonyl ligands, and here there is a charge. Sometimes we take charge in the plus manner and sometimes we will take in a minus manner based on the charge on the complex. So take plus or minus Z, which will be equal to what? 18. Now here it will be equal to 36, not 18, and a metal bond is present, so it will be contributing how many electrons? 2 electrons. So overall will be equal to, when you add them, this will be equal to what? 33. Plus or minus Z is equal to 36. So plus or minus Z is equal to 36 minus 33. Plus or minus Z will be equal to 3 plus 3. So we have to take the opposite sign of what we got in the case of charge. So as we got plus 3, we should take Z as minus 3. So the charge on the complex is what? Minus 3. This is the way how to determine an unknown quantity in the given organometallic complex.